Welcome to Preyo Tidings. In the vast and often chaotic world of Greek mythology, many names echo through time. Zeus, Poseidon, Hades. But there is one name that commands a unique blend of absolute reverence and silent trepidation: Hera. She is not merely the wife of the king. She is the sovereign of the skies, the guardian of the sacred vow, and the undisputed queen of the gods. But who is the woman behind the golden crown? Is she truly the vengeful goddess of legend, or is she the ultimate protector of the social order? Today, we are embarking on an 8-minute journey to uncover the birth, the power, and the eternal mystery of Hera. From the shores of Samos to the highest peaks of Olympus, let's explore the life of the queen. To understand Hera, we must look back to her origins. Born on the island of Samos in Greece, Hera was a daughter of the Titans, Cronus and Rhea. Her birth was not of peace, but of survival. Like her siblings, she was swallowed by her father, Cronus, who feared his children would one day overthrow him. Imagine spending an eternity in the darkness of a Titan's stomach until her younger brother, Zeus, finally freed them. This shared trauma forged a bond between the siblings, but for Hera, it did something more. It instilled in her a deep, unshakable desire for order and stability. Having seen her own family torn apart by a father's madness, she dedicated her divinity to ensuring that the concept of family remained sacred. When she eventually married Zeus in a ceremony known as the Hera Samos, or holy marriage, she wasn't just becoming a wife, she was becoming the celestial blueprint for every marriage on earth. Why is Hera considered a Greek god? Her domain is the very fabric of human civilization, marriage and womanhood. While other gods played with the elements, Hera governed the relationships that held society together. Her power was subtle but absolute. She held the keys to the sacred vow. In ancient Greece, if you broke a marriage oath, you weren't just answering to your spouse, you were answering to Hera. Her influence within the Olympian council was unmatched. While Zeus governed the world with his thunderbolts, Hera often governed Zeus. She was the only deity who could truly challenge the king of the gods, using her intellect, her political maneuvering, and her terrifying Heraian wrath to keep the balance of power.
Her symbols tell the story of her vigilance. The peacock, with its 100 eyes on its feathers, symbolizes her omnipresence. It is said she placed the eyes of her loyal watchman, Argus, onto the peacock's tail so that she could always see everything happening in the mortal and immortal realms. Nothing escaped the queen's gaze. If you search for Hera today on Google or YouTube, you will find endless stories of her jealousy. She is often portrayed as the antagonist in the stories of heroes like Hercules. But here at Preyo Tidings, we look deeper. Why was she so relentless? It wasn't just petty jealousy, it was a defense of her domain. In Hera's eyes, every time Zeus was unfaithful, the very foundation of the universe's order was threatened. She was the defender of boundaries.
Interestingly, Hera is popular today because she is the architect of heroes. Without Hera's challenges, Hercules would never have performed his 12 labors. He would never have become the legend we know today. In a strange way, Hera's opposition was the fire that forged the greatest legends of Greece. She represents the strong matriarch, a woman who maintains her dignity and her throne even when surrounded by betrayal. She is a symbol of resilience, reminding us that being a protector often requires a hard heart and a sharp mind. A question often asked is, how does Hera die? In the world of the Olympians, death is a concept for mortals. As a goddess, Hera has no end. She is Athanatos, deathless. Her immortality is fueled by the concepts she represents. As long as humanity values the home, as long as mothers protect their children, and as long as the world seeks order over chaos, Hera remains alive. Even today, thousands of years after the last temple in Samos fell to ruin, Hera's influence is everywhere, from the psychology of the archetypal mother to the high-fashion runways that use her symbols of peacocks and lilies. She remains a figure of majestic power, a reminder that true authority isn't just about strength, it's about the will to hold everything together. The Queen of the Gods reminds us that even in a world of gods and monsters, the most important battles are often fought for the sake of the home. Hera was more than just a wife, she was the glue of Olympus. Thank you for tuning in to this deep dive on Preyo Tidings. If you found the story of Hera as fascinating as we did, please give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Who is your favorite Greek deity and why? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a journey into the legends of old.